Introducing the 2019 BMW M2. This vehicle still has fewer than 10,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The M2 Competition Coupe delivers street-legal racing performance, customizable driving modes, and cockpit technology that will blow you away. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, electronic stability control, Wi-Fi hotspot, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, AM/FM stereo, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. There are good days and bad days, and there are those rare days when you feel the potency of being truly alive. Drive the M2 Competition Coupe.